Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today, we have something truly special to talk about: the electric lawn mower 21V Handheld 1880W grass cutting wood trimmer. This powerful tool is a game changer for anyone who loves keeping their garden in tip-top shape. First of all, let me tell you about its incredible features. With a 1880W power and a 21V output, this lawn mower is not only efficient but also eco-friendly, thanks to its cordless design. The adjustable battery model ensures that you have the right amount of power for any task at hand, making your gardening experience a breeze. And with a pure copper motor that runs at 30,000 RPM, you can be sure that this machine means business. But that's not all. The package includes everything you need to get started, from blades to protective gear. And the best part? We offer wholesale and dropshipping options, along with fast and secure shipping, to ensure your satisfaction. So, if you're ready to take your gardening game to the next level, I highly recommend checking out the electric lawn mower 21V Handheld 1880W grass cutting wood trimmer. Head over to the link in the description to purchase yours today, and trust me, you won't regret it. And hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more amazing reviews and tips. Your support means the world to us. Happy gardening!